Today, guys, I'm over on the attic right now. It's 3:58 March 2020, and yesterday we don't have hot water. I was about to shower. I was like, oh, it's too cold, and I kept the water running. There was no hot water coming out, and I went out there to the attic and find this big boy right here not working. So this is a our water heater, water tank that fits the shower and all the single restrooms. But right now it's not working, and I found out that the pilot light wasn't lit, no matter how you try to strike it. So I decided to take the whole thing out, and I found out that something's wrong. I'm gonna have to go and get a new one and keep this thing running. We got the parts for this hot water boiler or tank or whatever it is. I've been waiting for this, and it finally came. So yep, let's see if this thing is really the same thing as what I needed right now, and let this thing go. Alright, there we go, back again in the attic. Today what I'm gonna do on this water heater, I already put the new pilot light, the thermocouple, and all this assembly, but the pilot light still won't stay lit. What I did was I put a high limit thermostat right here, which I'm gonna try to replace the old one. So I hope this one works. So let's do it. Guys, it's another day in the attic, and we are working on this water heater still, because it's getting more complicated. This morning I was like about to shut off the all the water system that goes into this water heater, because I was about to replace this electronic device, because this is defective, and I know that the solenoid was bad, so I need to replace the whole thing. But when I was about to shut off the valve, on top of it, the cold water going in, it's gonna be right here. The shut off valve, I was shutting it off, and then I found out that there's a water leaking on that one. It was dripping, so I might have to replace that one with a new one, because it's been like a decade already. About time to put a new valve and a new line going in before I do this one. So right now I'm draining the water inside the tank, and I think it's done. So I might have to flush it 2-3 times again, so to take all the sediments, because that's the first time that I have to, I did flush it for about like 10 years. Oh my god, that's crazy. It should be recommended once in a year to flush it, but it's about time for me to do everything right now, since I have to replace this thing. So yep, let's go work on it. Alright, so everything's ready. We just have to be crimped up, and I think the water tank is empty right now. So what I'm gonna do is just wait for this parts to come in. I think it's on the way in the FedEx right now, because I was checking on the tracking of the shipment, because I ordered it like 2 days ago, and this thing's coming today. I hope it's gonna come probably in an hour or something, so I have to wait for that, and we will see you guys in a little bit. The third drain is looking beautiful. Water's clear, and I think we're good to go. Guys, we are back after few hours of waiting, and we got a shipment. We got the delivery from FedEx. It's gonna be right here in this box. I bought this thing. That's a gas valve. The solenoid is bad on that one, and I bought the whole thing, a brand new one, to replace it. And yep, so what I'm gonna do right now is open it up and check it out if it's really the same thing. Looks like it's not the same kind, but I think they're probably the same. So I'm gonna hook this thing up. All right. We're good up there. So the valve is off, and we're ready to go on that side. I just have to open that cold water line going into the tank. So what we're gonna do right now is hook everything up down here. Let me put the camera just like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this thing out, and replace it with a new one. A little bit of water. I didn't expect that because the tank is a bit empty. That's a good thing when you get a channel like this, a small one. So this is pretty much very useful. You can use it as a pipe wrench. I think I'll go with it on that one. Guys, before you leave your workplace, make sure that everything is going well. And I have a spray here, so I have to make sure that there's no gas leaks or whatsoever. So just making sure that everything is fine. I'm gonna turn the water on right now, so I'm gonna fill it up with water while I'm doing this. So I think we're good to go, filling the water tank with cold water. Alright, still filling. Need to work on this thing. Yeah. Go get the smoke flashlight for me, Sky.
I got it.
What?
My duck
There's more one?
Yeah, I got it.
It's right there. Alright guys, I think everything's hooked up, and moment of truth. Can't wait, man. Get a fingers crossed right here. Alright, got everything over here. See what's going on. And we're gonna fire it up. Get quiet. Alright, so let it go now. turn the knob to hot. See if this thing. Ooh! Woo! Keep that running. Cool. That's pretty cool, man. We got it running. Let me show you that. Get fire right there. I don't know if you can see it. Like we did it, man. So I think we're good to go. I'm happy. Saturday is been a good day for everybody here, and I've been working this for like it's been like I think 4 days now, because I gotta go buy the parts, and I gotta try something else. You know, finally had it going right now because of the bad gas valve. So guys, thank you for being with me, and that's another one DIY at home. You just gotta be resourceful, but be careful. If you guys don't have that confidence, don't do it. You just have to call a professional. I'm not a professional, but I have the idea of doing what I'm doing, so I'm gonna go for it. I do it. So that's another one that we did. That's a thumbs up, and we will see you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.